Hello everyone, my name is Komal Kailas Suryavanshi. So today's our topic is arrays in Java. So what is array? Array is an object which contains similar data type in contiguous memory location. So the syntax of array is uh, data type, subscript, operator and variable name. Then data type, variable name, subscript operator. There are many ways to type and write array in Java. So basically first is int a subscript operator is equal to, in curly braces there is something values. Second is int array is equal in subscript operator is equal to new int in subscript operator there is value. So this is the way of to write a syntax array in Java. Then we discuss about types of array. So there are two types of array: single dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. So what is single dimensional array? Single dimensional array is a column or row with the same label but different index values. And then we discuss about multi-dimensional array. So multi-dimensional array is a data or multiple rows or column with consist of two pairs of integer, one for each rows and one for each column. So in array there is index and array value there we call elements. So index starts with 0. So suppose in array there is 1 2 3 4 5 value. So there is one element's value, there is 0 index. Then one index value there is 2. So this is the index and array of element. Then we discuss about advantages and disadvantages of array. So advantages of array: we can access any element randomly by using provided by array. Then second one is primitive of wrapper classes object names happen, so it may be fast. Then array can store many number of elements and values in arrays of Java. Then fourth one, arrays have a fixed size, which means that cannot be changed once they are created. Then disadvantages of array: array are strongly typed array in Java. Then array does not have add or remove methods. Then third one is we need to be maintain the size of array fixed length, so there is chance of memory wastages. So this is the advantages and disadvantages of array in Java. Then we discuss about some questions. So can we change the size of array at a runtime? So if you create an array initializing the values directly, the size will be the number of elements. Thus the size of the array is determined at the time of runtime. So its creation when its initializations once it is done, so you cannot change the size of array. Then second one, can you declare an array without assigning the size of an array? So yes, we can declare an array without size, but before using it needs to be initialize the value. So in array, what is the default value of array? So the default value of array is 0 to each element, the array in the case of int array. Then can we declare array size as a negative number? So array dimension cannot have a negative size. So this is all about array in Java. Thank you so much.